Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a shared mailbox to Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to manage team emails or access a department mailbox alongside your personal one, making collaboration much smoother. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before moving to the next step. This ensures that all your account settings are properly initialized and ready for modifications. Once your inbox is loaded, head to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Click on File to open the main menu. This is where you'll find all the core settings and options for managing your Outlook account. In the File menu, look for the Account Settings drop-down and click on it. When the expanded options appear, click on Account Settings again. This will open the Account Settings window, which is the central hub for managing all your email accounts and their configurations. From the Account Settings window, you'll see a list of all your email accounts. Select the email address where you want to add the shared mailbox by clicking on it. Once it's highlighted, click on the Change button. This opens the Exchange Account Settings window, which contains deeper configuration options for your email account. At the bottom of the Exchange Account Settings window, click on More Settings. This button unlocks advanced options that aren't immediately visible in the standard settings. It's essential for accessing mailbox features and other specialized configurations. From the Microsoft Exchange window that appears, click on the Advanced tab at the top. This tab contains features for power users and administrators, including mailbox management options. Here you'll find the tools needed to connect additional mailboxes to your account. In the Advanced tab, locate the Mailboxes section. This is where you can manage multiple mailboxes under a single Outlook profile. Click on the Add button in this section. This action allows you to add a shared mailbox to your account, giving you direct access to it within your Outlook interface. A prompt will appear asking you to enter the name of the shared mailbox. Type in the exact name or email address of the shared mailbox you want to add. Make sure the name is spelled correctly to avoid connection issues. Once you've entered the name, click OK to confirm. And that's it. The shared mailbox will now appear in your Outlook sidebar alongside your personal mailbox, allowing you to access and manage those emails without switching accounts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.